don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, all of them. Gang, gang, gang. Guys, I'm on my way to the University of the Technology Montego Bay campus. We are having our product launch today of our juice, Q-cane juice.
Taste the juice.
Funky, I have it wrong.
No. Every minute. Hold on. Start over.
Q-cane juice.
Taste the cool.
Taste the cool. I'm gonna insert some ads that I did. I put together. You know, I'm telling you all the time, everything in our life. I'm fair reason because if I never know if I edit, but don't know if I edit advertisement them and I promo them and do voiceovers and a bag of things. I'm tired. Also happy and excited to do the videos for my group launch for the juice. So I'm gonna insert them now and tell them what I think about them. I think they're nice. So later I'll see you guys at UTech. Maybe I vlog, but or maybe I'm gonna be too busy because I'm gonna be on the road and stuff like that. So
Peace, Skylifers.
I'm out.
My choice of juice when I'm going to play football, I have to drink Q-cane juice.
So we're set up now. Q-cane juice product launch. Sorry.
No, you have to get scissors.
So guys, our product launch was a very big success. We want to say we appreciate it. We appreciate it and thank you for stopping by. We have Benny's over there. We have Melica here, we have Ocean here, we have Cassandra there, and you have Frankie there, and you have our visitor domain there. You don't know. QK Juice. Taste the cool. Hi, good morning guys. You don't know. It's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, how are them? I'm so extra this morning. Guys, I'm on my way to school. It's Sunday. I say I go sometimes if I go to school on Sunday. And guess who's coming with me? That girl, Stephanie, aka Punky. What up, black world? Yeah, so we have out on the school to get some work done because we have exams on Monday. You know, we have to secure the bag. You don't know. So that we are dealing with now. We want to take drive. And think maybe we come back later on today. I don't know if we're going to go anywhere after yet. So if we do, we'll check in with you. So peace, Stephanie.
Peace, Skylife.
Hi guys, good morning. You don't know, it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, how are them? Guys, I came on here to just say you're only effective when you're authentic. I can't take fake people. So guys, if you're fake, please unsubscribe right now. You're so extra this morning. I'm on my way to work, guys. Today's a good day. Thank God for life and everything in it. I appreciate it. Yeah, big up on yourself. But I know I'm not going to come and I'm going nowhere right now. But go and keep it jiggy. You see me? I'm out. Morning, Robert. Hi, good morning, guys. You don't know. It's your girl, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. I'm on my way to school now. I have an exam. I have my last exam today. I'm so excited. It's December 8th. I left early. Go to school, go do some studying. Last night I drop asleep. I don't want to me at night time. But I know, like if I go to school, you notice when you have studying to do, you tend to fall asleep. And last night I drink one Red Bull, think me I'll stay up. So 11 o'clock I got my bed. Got my bed and thing. So I'm gonna finish up what I do. Today's my last exam. I'm so excited. Can't wait. I'll be hitting it next week. Gyms. Next week, I'll be hitting the gym 5 days a week. Like I'm gonna be a beast in the gym. Because I'm near my goal. I'm gonna not stop until I reach my goal. That's so misty. Goal for reach. Yes. So that's what I'm gonna do. you guys ask what I do in school. I'm doing my degree. I major in marketing and my minor is international business. See, I don't know. Skylife have brains behind it. You understand? So that's what I'm doing now. A lot of times I feel discouraged, like, what man top go school now. Because I'm ready to start my family and be things. But I'm not gonna start my family until I finish with school and things are set. Then I can focus on that, because I don't want to be like start family and then me have to struggle for go to school in the evening. Save me. I just take that out of the way. That's my plan for myself. You understand? Get that out of the way first. Then I know say everything is set. And like I'm at another tier in life where I can focus on, you know, family and things like that. Or focus on myself and focus on myself, you know. So that's what I'm doing now. Punky gone already. Punky have exam today too. Punky have exam today as well. And thing. So she gone from early. I never want to go so early because I'm tired. Kind of slept a little bit later. You don't know me if I wake up and meditate. I did a read this morning. When I come home later, I'm going to read and stuff. So yeah. Oh, me I walk on the road there now. Me a video myself.
Leave the lady alone.
I think I you me a video. Hey? You want to come on my video? Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good evening.
I'm going, baby.
Just say good morning. Just say
Yo. So guys, we are going to jump on my cab. I don't cab supposed to write this so head on the school and thing. I don't know if I'm going to lock in later because maybe I'm going to do some in-town stuff. Because I need to go flow out harder. Like I don't have no internet from about a week ago and 2 weeks now. No internet cable broke down. Can you tell me what is life? Although I'm not really too in an internet thing right now. Right now. Because focus on getting the school work. I'm glad it kind of, in a way, I'm glad it kind of now work. All the things they hinder me from my school work sometimes. But social media can be a distraction if you're not strong. So maybe broke down for a reason, see me. So later. Hi guys. You don't know, it's the girl. MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, how are them? I'm just coming from the gym today. I went to work today. I went to work today and then after I went to the gym. I just left the gym like 5 minutes to 6 now. Now I'm at Fantana. I'm getting some tea tree oil for my skin because I'm doing a treatment on my skin. Cause yeah, me I break out real bad, so I treat my skin. So I'm going to try and get the tea tree oil for my skin and one cream, and I'm buying him hydrochromazone or something like that. I have it on my phone. Now I'll get it for my skin. Gym suit. I'm gonna change after gym. Whoops. Yeah, so guys, you know, today's a good day. I just feel so happy and calm in my spirit. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting some candles because I do some decoration for my room. I'm gonna look on some bedspread something around the sun and stuff. So yeah, I'll talk to you.